This video must be watched by tens of thousands of people. Please watch it. To understand medical problems, medical treatment must have common sense. In the future, accidents will happen to everyone, so that you will not regret it for life. Only in order to care about the society will you do this real life-saving work. Video, please share. 50 years of ancestral traditional Chinese medicine, GMP legal pharmaceutical formula, and the way to treat burns, fractures and wounds. Let's talk about burns and scalds caused by accidents, which are a lot. No one wants these accidents to happen to themselves, but when accidents happen, we still have to face them, because this is a real problem and serious injuries have been caused. Although the accidents have not found us yet, it doesn't mean that they will never happen to us, so we should have a sense of crisis. We should care about such issues. We should stick together to find real solutions to help so many patients in need of assistance. In fact, the real solution is this ancestral traditional Chinese medicine with no doubt. This important traditional Chinese medicine has actually been invented. Unfortunately, it has not been applied to mainstream medical treatments. Therefore, we compiled the cases of these treatments into a book. I hope that by sharing these real treatment cases, people all over the world will understand more. When the injury occurs, the failure to use the correct treatment method is not only painful torture to the injured, but also a waste of national medical resources. Let's talk about the treatment methods of Western medicine all over the world. First, when a burn is a third-degree burn, you have to do debridement in about a week, and then cut your own skin for skin grafting. Sometimes there are holes in the place of skin grafting, and some people have skin grafting for 2 to 3 times. These long and painful treatment processes, tearing pain again and again, are not tolerable by ordinary people. This is not over yet. You have to wear tight pressure garment to avoid joint atrophy and deformation. In the process of joint rehabilitation, you have to go through hydrotherapy. No one knows when this long road of rehabilitation will end. Furthermore, sometimes the treatment result is poor and will cause lifelong disfigurement. Sometimes, some patients only have fractures without displacement and can be stabilized with plaster. Some of the injuries are serious and require surgery. But whether there is an operation or not, in fact, it takes about 3 months for our bones to grow back. The fracture treatment is not completed after hospital treatment. There is also a swelling problem in the follow-up, which will cause joint atrophy and deformation, and it will take a long time for rehabilitation. Some patients have fractures. After surgery, the superficial wound looks normal, but if the internal swelling causes inflammation and infection, debridement should be done. With more than 50 years of ancestral traditional Chinese medicine, we treat third-degree burns without skin grafting. We treat them immediately and relieve pain immediately. The skin will recover, the joints will not shrink and deform, and the skin will not leave scars. The fractured part will be treated with Chinese, ancestral traditional Chinese medicine, and Western medicine, and the effectiveness can reach 90%. Without rehabilitation, the bone changes and recovers within a month. Through the internal and external treatment of Chinese and Western medicine, the patient can recover quickly. Finally, we hope to achieve the most perfect treatment for the patient through external treatment of traditional Chinese medicine, internal treatment of Western medicine, and combined treatment of traditional Chinese and Western medicine.